The person who could soon influence your mortgage rate, credit card interest, and the direction of the U.S. economy isn't a household name. Yet, his name is Kevin Warsh, and he's been nominated to become the next chair of the Federal Reserve. But here's the twist most people don't know. He's not an outsider, he's not new to the system, and his past views on interest rates don't fully match what he's been saying more recently. So, who is he really? Warsh previously served as a governor on the Federal Reserve Board starting back in 2006, and he was one of the youngest people ever appointed to that role. That means he was directly involved in economic decision-making during one of the most difficult financial periods in modern history. Before that, he worked in investment banking at Morgan Stanley, advising major companies and dealing with capital markets. Then he moved into the White House as an economic policy advisor under President George W. Bush, focusing on financial markets and regulatory issues. So his background blends Wall Street, the White House, and the Federal Reserve. A rare combination. But here's where things get interesting. Earlier in his career, Warsh was often described as someone very focused on inflation risks. Yet in more recent public comments, he has shown support for lower interest rates than he favored before. Is that a shift based on today's economy, or a sign of a different policy approach if he takes the top job? That's one of the key questions lawmakers are likely to explore during the Senate confirmation process. Because the Fed chair doesn't just vote on rates, they shape communication, guide discussions, and influence how the entire institution responds to economic challenges. And those decisions don't stay in Washington. They filter into loan rates, business investment, and market expectations. So this isn't just a leadership change. It could signal how the U.S. central bank balances inflation, growth, and financial stability in the years ahead. And to really understand what that might look like, you have to understand the career path that shaped Kevin Warsh in the first place.